Hello traders, in today's video I'll be speaking about some of the things you should do even before you trade in Deriv in any particular day, okay? Yeah, so as we start, I want to welcome all of you to DerivNavigatorAcademy. Please ensure like and subscribe as we begin. First of all, when you wake up, alright, or basically when you sit down to trade in Deriv, let's say it's in the morning or at any designated time, you have decided to start trading for the day. Now what I want you to do first of all, you check for any new information. Now, using the Gmail you registered with on Deriv, right? Go to Gmail, open it, see if there is any new notification from Deriv, and then yeah, just see. Okay, go to your Gmail and see, has Deriv sent anything today? No. Go to the website, see if there is anything new. Once you see there is nothing new, amazing. Okay, now you open your Deriv website. Okay, whatever website you yeah. So okay, I wanted to say whatever website, but you're all trading here. Open the Deriv website. First of all, go to your demo. Test everything out, see if everything is okay. You can even just go and do some random trades in the market you want to trade to see if it is everything is functioning properly. Once you see that, you put a tick. After that, you ensure you put the balance you want. Ensure when it comes to setting your stake, if you're using a bot or manually, set everything properly. All right, don't be in a hurry. Set everything step by step. Okay. Now, currently, I've seen a lot of people speaking about the how you're supposed to do how you're not supposed to ignore maintenance messages and so on. But actually last year, if I can come here, you can see last year I made a video about how to react to a scheduled maintenance message. Guys, anytime as a Deriv trader, you will see any email, any message, any notification from Deriv, all right? Open it and read it, okay? Anytime you open the Deriv website and you see there is a scheduled maintenance, or they are doing maintenance maybe from 7 a.m. to, I don't know, 7 p.m., do not trade that day, okay? Anytime there is a maintenance on Deriv, refrain from trading, okay? Trading on Deriv when there is maintenance, you'll start noticing maybe some trades that you're doing proper analysis, but trades are not just going well. So anytime there is a maintenance, just take a break for that day, come back tomorrow and proceed, okay? Or basically wait for that designated time to end, and then now you can enter. So please ensure, for those who have not watched this video, I'll put the link in the description. I've given you a very nice step-by-step way to navigate all these scheduled maintenance messages, basically to give you a very good understanding on how to go about them, okay? Yeah, so those are some of the things you should do before you trade. Don't just open the chart and start running. No, check if there is any new message. Go test out, basically just do some random trades with your bot to see if it is working properly, if everything is okay. Once you see everything is okay, now you switch and now you prepare to trade, set your stake, set your martingales, and then be ready to trade. Remember, only trade on Deriv.com because I told you guys, this is the site we started with. Just stick with it, okay? Yeah, trade with Deriv.com. That is the site we trust, so just use it. Most of these third-party websites, okay, I'm not saying all of them are bad, but most of them, all right? So just trade on Deriv.com. It is easier, it is better. In case of anything, the customer care is able to help you out much better there, and it is easier, okay? Yeah, so guys, go test it out, check it out, and yeah, let me know if this video has been helpful. Yeah, please ensure, as I told you guys, in our tips playlist, you have a lot of videos for you there, okay? You have about 150 videos containing various tips that can help you improve as a Deriv trader, okay? Yeah, so I've told you guys, just come to playlist. Once you come to playlist, you'll find our the tips playlist here. So just come to playlist here, all right? Yeah, once you come there, you'll be able to find our tips playlist. Here, okay? It is here. So once you click on view full playlist, you will be able to see all our videos that are positioned there, okay? Yeah, so you can come and check it out, and we have so much. If I can scroll slowly, you can see we have a lot, okay? A lot, the Deriv cars and so much more, okay? Yeah, so I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. Please keep on trading, keep on pushing. I appreciate you for watching, and let us meet in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to contact us, our details are down in the description. You can always reach us out or through our Telegram or our email. Don't reach us out on our WhatsApp, it is not properly functioning yet. So you can reach us out on Telegram or email. We are fully available and fully ready for you there. Thank you for watching, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.